This one has happened to all of us. You draft a great email. Everything looks perfect. You send it and then wait nervously for a reply. Did it land in the spam folder? Should you follow up? If only email had the same blue check marks as WhatsApp. Unfortunately, they don't. But you can easily track email opens straight from OnePageCRM. With email tracking, salespeople can see if their subject lines strike the right chord, account managers confirm whether clients have received the latest updates, and customer support teams make sure that clients are reading responses with solutions. Email tracking also gives you peace of mind. If a potential client hasn't replied but opened your email, you know it didn't end up in spam, so a gentle reminder might help. If it remains unopened for days, consider reaching out via LinkedIn or giving them a call instead. OnePageCRM also shows you how many times your email was opened. If more than once, chances are you have a prospect who's very interested in your offer, so it's a perfect time to focus on this deal and pick up the phone. And once you finish the call, you can send them an automated thank you email with more info about the next steps. That's how you can have both email tracking and automation working together.